Hey my loves, I'm here with a new updated version to my rosemary hair juice. It has been doing wonders for my hair health, so I decided to kick it up a notch and take this recipe to the next level. For this hair juice, I am well focused on promoting and maintaining a healthy scalp, helping hair growth, giving the hair strength, and minimizing hair loss. For my hair juices, I use them for many things. I like to use it to refresh my edges. I use it to massage my scalp. I use it as a hair rinse when it's wash days, even as my leave-in prior to styling. And also, I love to use it when I'm doing my prepoos. These hair juices are something that anyone can use, no matter if you're type 3 or type 4, high or low porosity. This is just something that's going to help you to promote and maintain the health for your hair. As I mentioned, I use my hair juices in many ways. Today, I'll show you how I use it for my prepoo. Being high porosity, my juices are always cold prior to spraying it on my hair. If you are low porosity, try warming it up to ensure proper absorption. Once I'm finished applying my prepoo mix, I allow my hair to air dry and then I cover it up with a satin bonnet. And then I continue on with my wash day the next day. I'll be creating a new hair juice at least once a month because these are really beneficial for my hair, and a lot of people have been telling me that they have been loving the hair juices. So no matter what, I'm always here to help because you guys know I love cooking up and creating these wonderful recipes that is just wonderful for our hair. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.